And Pet Pals TV continues with our investigative reporter. That would be Tom Dock. And, oh boy, let's add a little bit of stress to the mixture of everything we're going through right now. 4th of July, wonderful holiday coming up, but a terrible holiday if you have pets. What's happening and what do you foresee?
Sure. So lots of animals have noise phobia. We'll see this not only with fireworks around the 4th of July, but also thunderstorms sometimes. So, it is a big concern. Now, this year with everything that's going on, a lot of outdoor big community events have been canceled.
Right. But
right, we're seeing more and more people, we always have the fireworks stands that pop up and people are probably going to do something on their own in the backyard in their neighborhood. And so, certainly you're right. We need to be aware of exactly how this affects pets. And remember that July 5th is the biggest day for animal shelters, but July 5th is a Sunday. We're in the middle of a COVID pandemic. Is that shelter open? Or is your pet going to continue to run?
Yeah, that's another thing. The other thing that concerns me is you can kind of prepare your pet, a safe place, put some music on, maybe even a little medication when you know that there's one event coming up. But these random shots, explosions at the end of your driveway in August or September and that really concerns me. I would hope people would be respectful.
Well, you would hope so too. And at least from a standpoint of if you know your neighbor's doing it and you've got a dog or a cat who's really upset or a small child or you have to work at 4 a.m, go over and at least politely once, hey, I'm not trying to take away from your fun, but here's my situation. And then maybe we can build a relationship there, okay? And maybe next time they'll come over and say, hey, Patty, I know that Stewie's upset about fireworks. I was thinking about letting some off tonight. Do you need to do anything?
Yeah, okay? That's very good. So now you're a psychologist. We'll add that, another slash to your name.
Something like that. But good news.
Yeah, the other thing, too, is and I think I didn't mean to step on you there, but even if you don't have a pet or not concerned about that, post-traumatic stress disorder, there are children on the spectrum, and these random things are not good for them either.
There's a product called Silco. We've talked about this in the past, and the nice thing is, even if your dog's already worked up, this is an oral medication that you rub into his gums, and it can calm them back down. So it can be, even if you don't know the fireworks are coming, the thunderstorm's coming, this is a product that will work.
And make sure their tags are up to date, correct?
Right. Yeah, let's have some identification on them, at least their tags, but, collars and tags get lost. Microchipping is best. So if we can get this, ahead of time, talk with your veterinarian, even if it's past the 4th of July, microchipping is good all year round, whenever, because you never know when that gate's going to get left open. You never know when that cat's going to bolt out because he saw something.
All right. Tom, you're wonderful as always. Excellent advice. Thank you very much. Have a happy, calm 4th of July. Just be calm about that. And we'll talk to you again real soon. So thank you, Tom Dock, our investigative reporter. We'll be back with more on Pet Pals TV.